Hey there, welcome to this explainer. Today we're looking at a huge shift, schools as public health environments.
Hello from Metricom. We guide school health by managing the whole environment around the child, not just the clinic.
You see, health doesn't just start in hospitals. It actually begins right where kids spend their entire day.
So are schools basically healthcare environments? Absolutely. Weak controls directly cause respiratory issues, severe infections, and even injuries.
Take indoor air. Kids actually breathe way more air per body weight than adults, making them super vulnerable.
Rising CO2 isn't just stuffy, right? It means poor fresh air exchange, totally killing focus, and triggering asthma.
So, here are practical fixes. Clean those ACs, swap filters regularly, and never, ever ignore damp smells. Looks can be deceiving. A visually pristine classroom can actually hide massive, invisible, high-contact infection risks.
Kids share everything, so your cleaning schedule's got to target specific high-risk touchpoints, like door handles, not just floors.
The fix? Schedule risk-based cleaning, enforce documented toilet inspections, and seriously build up a strong hand-washing culture.
Moving outside, is your playground actually safe? They hide sneaky hazards like broken gear and severe heat exposure. To manage this, use strict checklists, immediately isolate damaged parts, check drainage, and totally enforce heat risk procedures.
Now, beyond air, hygiene, and playgrounds, there are 4 other critical, hidden exposure points in schools today.
Food safety, harsh cleaning chemicals, poor acoustics, and school buses. These all impact our kids simultaneously, every single day.
Since kids experience all this together, schools need one integrated management system focusing on actual prevention, not paperwork.
Prevention makes pure business sense too. It stops minor hygiene issues from becoming massive, costly disruptions to reputation.
So I'll leave you with this. Facility managers and teachers protect health just like doctors do. What's next?